Hello everybody and welcome back to the ninth video of Java program where we're going to be learning about classes. So, what is a class? Well, a class is a customized data type, to put it simply, and that sounds confusing. But basically, it holds information about certain attributes and or contain methods that allow you to manipulate it in a certain way. So, for example, we're going to create a class called it's going to do something with storing information about houses. So I guess we're going to call this real estate. So we're going to go in here and we're going to say new and we're going to say Java class and we're going to call it real estate. Remember the capitals in the start. So we're going to call this public class real estate. Now, what is some priced informations about real estate? Well, we have the house value, and we have the number of bedrooms, and we would have the square footage or square meters. So we would say land like so. And now that these will store information about the object of the real estate data type, and we're going to now make a constructor, and it's going to be public real estate. So this is a constructor method. I believe I can use method at the end there. And we're going to say int. We're going to call this new house value. Then int new bedrooms. And we're going to call this int land. New land, sorry. And then inside here, we're just going to say house value is equal to the new house value. New bedrooms is equal to the new bedrooms, and land is equal to new land. And we're not done there yet. We gotta, in classes such as these data type ones usually have setters and getters, although they're not mandatory. But now I'm going to show you that we can use this already. It's pretty much good to go for the most part. And I'm going to call it in here, and we're going to say real estate. I'm going to call this house 1. Now you're going to notice that we can't really use this whatsoever because we have nothing to really do. We have no methods. But let's say we make the methods, we make getters that get the values of the house value, bedrooms, and land. We would just say public, and we would say public int real estate at public int get house value, and it's going to return the house value. Simple. Again, two more times, sorry. Public int bedrooms, get bedroom, sorry. And then we're going to have return bedrooms. And then one more time, I'm going to say public int get land, and then we're going to say return land, like so. And now when we want to print this out, we're going to notice that we're going to see a little error message. So we're going to say house1, we're going to say .get, and we're going to get the house value. And I'm going to make sure we get this here. And now, when we run this, you're going to notice that nothing's going to happen. Yep, so it's going to say Java variable house1 might not have been initialized. What does that mean? Well, it means it has no value. So to give it some value, which is what the constructor is for, I'm going to say equals to new real estate, and then we're going to provide the into new house value, and we're going to say it's 200,000, because why not? I believe that's 200,000. Yep, that's 200,000. And we're going to say it's 3 bedrooms, and it's 500. And now, when we go ahead and run this, you can see that it's worth $200,000. So those are an introduction of classes. If you want, you can try and make your own custom class and try and find ways to manipulate and how to get some more information out of it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and see you in the next one.